When it comes to pre-owned full-size SUVs with a lot of comfort and capability, we've got them here at Payne Pre-Owned Harlingen. Like this pre-owned 2022 Chevy Tahoe High Country. Now, this is a dark metallic blue 6.2 liter V8 underneath the hood. Premium 22-inch wheels rolling on those Bridgestone lenses. We got the automatic steps. We come in here, heated and vented power front seats. Big console, wireless charging connectivity, climate controls, and also our other radio controls for our Chevy infotainment system with Google. Also, this is a backup mirror camera, full digital cockpit, electric tilt, foot pedals, all that kind of stuff, and a heads-up display. Now, we got second row captains, oh baby, and they are heated. Our connectivity right here, climate controls here, and also a power inverter. Not to mention that beautiful panoramic sunroof. All of this leather throughout. Now, power liftgate is up. It does have a trailer brake controller, so you can haul a trailer here, power inverter, and we'll just drop the seats right here in the back. Third row goes down, connectivity also for our third row, and boom, we drop the second row with the greatest of ease and even more cargo room, and that power liftgate on this pre-owned 2022 Chevy Tahoe High Country at Payne Pre-Owned Harlingen. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com. We have what you want. Lo que tu quieres, regardless.